get all the support and guidance you need to be a success at correcting your child. This is one of the most valuable resources in the world when it comes to a helpful guide to positive discipline methods. Keep watching to get the help you need. Is the fact that you would like to discipline your child the right way, but just don't know how, making your life difficult, maybe even miserable? Does it seem like you've tried everything in your power to figure it out, and yet, despite your best intentions, you're still plagued with not knowing how to figure out where the problems are, not understanding even where to start with expectations, not knowing how to be consistent? If this describes you, then you are in luck today. First, you are not. The costs of not getting all the info you need are just too high. Your lack of knowledge in this area may not be your fault, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't or can't do anything to find out everything you need to know to finally be a success. The costs of continuing to repeat this pattern are just too steep. I mean, think about all of the mental anguish you could be going through because of how continuing to try things that don't work keeps things in an uproar. The time you're losing due to going around in circles is also time-consuming. And that's not to mention the toll it's taking on your personal life, like the way the failed attempts over and over can impact personal life/relationships. So today, in the next few minutes, in fact, we're going to help you get on track and learn how you can quickly and easily understand discipline for good. That is why I've written this ebook. This ebook below will show you exactly what you need to do to finally be a success with discipline. As a person just